Number one, a lot of these folks on the call today, the question is, what's next? How do we get started? And obviously, a lot of folks have already using ChatGPT. I'm saying beyond that. Okay. My recommendation is absolutely start the journey with your current platform provider. Okay. Lease admin, lease abstract, the current platform provider. Start the journey there because they have the data. That's where the data sits. And a lot of our partners have their own tools they have built, some plugins. I know for sure, Lease Cake and Tango and these guys and other partners have their own tool set that they have created that sits on. So start your journey there because that's the starting point. Okay. Or reach out to us. We will direct you, tell you, hey, because we have tools that ingest the data from our partners, because all of these guys are partners, we can ingest the data and enhance the value of it. Or you start off the journey there. That's the first thing that I would say. Start the journey from the current partners. And certainly we'll share our details and reach out to us and we'll point you in the right partner, software vendor, or us, and who can actually help you with that, depending upon the use case. The second part is, I would say, from my perspective, the takeaway when you think about, from a key takeaways, don't overlook the data security. That is the key. Making sure, don't just take up, your PDF or something, you got excited and put it on ChatGPT and say, hey, summarize it. Okay? Be cautious. Don't try to put any of that data, but you can certainly put the jumbled addresses. You can put it up, and it'll clean it up because that data is already available in a public domain. As long as you're not putting a mail to address and landlord address, just say, hey, clean this up without the header on it. It will do that. Okay. The other part is, as you can see, the quality. And again, as Microsoft has pointed out, AI is your co-pilot.